Do you sometimes speak, but your voice sounds weak, unclear, as if you're not confident in yourself? Trust me, you're not alone. Most people struggle with this fear, the fear of making mistakes, of being judged, or of not being understood. But today, in this video, I'll show you step by step how to speak with confidence, express yourself clearly, and influence people with your words. Part 1. Why we struggle to speak confidently. Reason 1. The fear of others' opinions. We all worry about being judged, laughed at, or misunderstood. But the truth is, people are too busy thinking about themselves. They rarely remember what you said, unless it was powerful and meaningful. Reason 2. Lack of practice. Speaking is a skill, not a talent. No one is born confident. If you don't speak often, it's normal to feel nervous. The more you speak, the more confident you become. Reason 3. Unorganized thoughts. Many people know what they want to say, but they can't structure it clearly. That's why their speech feels messy or hard to follow. Part 2. How to improve your speaking skills. Step 1. Think before you speak. Before opening your mouth, take 2 seconds to organize your thoughts. Ask yourself, what message do I really want to share? The right word at the right moment has incredible power. Step 2. Speak slowly and clearly. Most people think speed shows confidence, but actually it shows nervousness. Slow down, take a breath. Let your words flow with confidence. Remember, silence between sentences is more powerful than constant talking. Step 3. Watch your body language. Your smile, your hands, your eyes, they all speak before your words do. Stand tall, open your shoulders, and make eye contact. That's how you silently say, I'm confident in what I'm saying. Step 4. Listen before you speak. A good speaker is a great listener. The more you listen, the better you understand people, and the smarter, calmer, and more confident your responses become. Part 3. Practical exercises. Exercise. 1. Record yourself talking about any topic for 1 minute, then listen back. Notice your tone, your pronunciation, your hesitation. Repeat this every day. You'll be amazed at your progress after 2 weeks. Exercise 2. Speak in front of a mirror. Watch your facial expressions and body movement. It may feel strange at first, but it's one of the most effective confidence boosters. Exercise 3. Engage in small conversations. At cafes, with friends, in meetings, or even in comment sections online. Every time you speak, you're training your confidence muscle. Final message. Speaking is not just about sound. It's energy, presence, and belief in yourself. You speak with confidence when you know your worth and believe that what you have to say matters. Don't fear mistakes. Each one is a step toward mastery. If this video helped you, share it with your friends and comment below. I will speak with confidence from today.